But today on camera, I decided to get ready. And I haven't done a get ready with me, a chatty get ready with me in a while. So I'm just, you know, it's like I need to film myself getting ready, real get ready with me. So I haven't done my brows on camera in a minute, so that's what we're gonna start out with. I like to use the e.l.f. Professional Eyelash and Brow Wand to do my brows. I like to, you know, spoolie them out just a little bit. I'm gonna kind of speed up this part because it's the same routine, and I've done a million brow routines on this channel, so it's kind of like nothing really new. So if you just go through my channel and find there's like 3 different methods. Yes, ma'am. And now all I do is take a spoolie, and I take my spoolie and just go over it. That. And then I take my favorite concealer at the moment. I like to try different concealers. I like to take the BH Cosmetics Medium Dark palette to carve out my brows because that's what I like. And I like to take this shade here first under the brow and carve it out. Nice and precise it looks like. Oh my gosh. Try to be little as possible with it just gets so messy. Like, I'm gonna take the black Radiance press powder and just set it because you need to set it. All right, now I've just been taking tape lately. I've been taking some tape. Be a part of the planner community where I did Plant With Me, and I just got out of stage. So if you're wondering why I don't talk about planners anymore, I just, you know, everybody has a habit every once in a blue moon, and see how easy that one just ripped off. Like, it just, I'm gonna show y'all, but like everybody have a habit, and we just go through habits. Like, you may go through a phase where, oh my gosh, I have to have the most stickers, blah blah blah, and next thing you know, like, it's getting kind of expensive, you know, buying stuff like that. And that's just how I feel, and that's how I feel about, you know, when I went through that phase. Like, I felt like I was spending a lot of money on stickers and stuff, and I thought about coming up with a sticker shop myself, and I was like, I have to get a great computer. You know, I have to really invest. Taking the ColourPop Element of Surprise. I love their transition shade in this palette, and it's the shade called Details, and it's the shade right here, Go With The Flow. I mix Details and Go With The Flow and go with the flow. See what go with the flow does and details together. I'm just kidding. So I just mix those two together and I just apply them to crease. Look how gorgeous that is. Like, oh my gosh. I made about, you know, planners, and I mean, I still have my planner moments where I feel like I want to go on Etsy and see what cute stuff I can get, but I just don't have time to be buying stickers all the time. And that's just me. I used to get in that stage where I just decorate a planner when I'm bored and see what the next week. And then when you run out of stickers, it's like, oh my gosh, I ran out of stickers. I need to go buy. Like, you need to say, like, YouTube is not my income right now. I wish it was, but it's just not my income. So I'm like, let me step back. So I'm just going to take this green color from BEJHA. This is the dopest green color ever, you guys. And I'm going to apply it to the crease. It's like I'm wearing green. I want to kind of add it to the look. At first, I didn't want to wear it in the crease. I thought about doing it on the lower lash line, but the outfit that I'm wearing has green. Y'all a question. Do you guys feel like I need to talk more about higher end products on this beauty channel? Because reviews is where it's at now, and I really want my channel to grow, and I also want you guys to know that, yeah, I love all kind of makeup, like I do, but what my audience want to see, like, do you want to see a mixture of drugstore and high-end? Because I felt like this, okay? I think I mentioned it in a vlog when I was going to TJ Maxx. And I said to myself, you know, I started out doing drugstore makeup, and I don't want to change because my content likes drugstore makeup. But nowadays, people are reviewing mainly higher end brands, and I just love makeup, and I don't want to, you know, do it for the views. I want to do it my passion, but I just want to know, like, I always get people in my comments saying, like, you should stop talking about LA Colors so much, but LA Colors is like one of my main brands that I love to go to. And if I stop talking about LA Colors so much, are the people that like to talk about LA Colors gonna feel some type of way? Just like, let's say Jaclyn Hill for an example. Jaclyn Hill, she's with Morphe, right? She's with Morphe. And a lot of people feel like she's pimping Morphe because of her always talking about Morphe. And I don't want this channel to be based off LA Colors, which I don't have any sponsors from them. I don't have any type of business with them. I just like the brand. But a lot of people, some people, I'm not going to say a lot, I'm just going to say some, felt like I was talking about it so much and they wanted to see something different. So my question is, I'm going to go in with the concealer palette again. My question is, do you guys want to see more higher end brands on this channel? And I want to know, because I don't want the people that's dedicated and loyal feel like, oh God, here she go, doing it for wrong reasons. I mean, it's makeup. I love makeup, don't get me wrong. But if I change what I talk about all the time, will it affect you? Just want to know. I'm gonna go back in with details. I'm gonna apply details on the lid. You know what? Details is really pretty on the lid. Like, if you guys can look, like, details is really, really dope on the lid. You don't have to really force them on. Like, they're very pigmented by themselves. And I like them. I like ColourPop. So, of course, y'all already know I'm going to add a black because, like, that's my signature, a black eyeshadow. I'm going to get on a party bus and I'm going out with my bestie's boyfriend.
Get it! Free my nigga, yo, did it. Got paper around Chatty on your own titty.
Sister's fiance. Yeah. Just gonna go out and club. I usually don't club like that, but it's Labor Day weekend. So I'm just gonna have a ball. Foundation choice. Should I go for BEJHA or NYX? I think I'm gonna shoot for NYX today. I love it. It's like the best brush ever to use to contour. I'm with the NYC and I'm going to take the Cappacinou illuminating powder. The look.